we have a 67 plate BMW 420D M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get four 19-inch alloy wheels complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We have got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, as you can see by the black splitter just there. We've then got the black kidney grills. Coming around to this side, we've got our second 19-inch alloy wheel. We've got some black accents with the black side skirts, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles with the privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows. We've then got our white shark fin antenna at the top just there. We've got a black spoiler lip which looks fantastic. Really great contrast between the white and the black on this vehicle. Black diffuser with the dual exit exhaust on that bottom left corner. We do have front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside, and as you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we go on to the interior, we'll start at the rear. We have got a full leather interior throughout, as you can see just here. We've got the integrated speakers on either side, ISO fixed points within the seats. In the front here we've got that same full leather interior. On the doors we've got our uprated Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic. Electric power folding wing mirrors with electric window control and additional storage. Auto lights on the right just there. We'll step inside, get the car started up, foot on the brake, start button, and there we are. Now we'll just wait for that to go up. As you can see we have got a fuel reserve light on at the moment, but that's nothing to worry about. You can see that the vehicle has covered just over 26,800 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel, different controls like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. We've then got our infotainment screen, so on here you'll find things like navigation, different forms of media connectivity, as you can see just there. Then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth. We've got our visual display of front and rear sensors, as you can see it again just there. We've then got different driving modes. So we've got Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport. Oh, hang on 1 second, let me go back into Park. We've then got different things like Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sports Plus. So you can suit which one of these best caters your driving style at the time. Moving down, we've got our traffic alerts just there with our stereo controls, dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently, with heated seats for both front passengers. Got a USB slot just there, additional storage, two good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. Got our gear stick just there, traction control, dynamic mode select, and a button for our parking sensors. We've got our shortcuts here, 40 infotainment screen with the touchpad and control wheel, handbrake, soft touch leather armrest which also doubles up as storage. You've even got wireless phone charging underneath there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 420D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we have got both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll press cruise, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Now I can adjust this speed easily in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5 with the same trigger, and then to deactivate this I can either press the cruise button or apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, down to 4th, back to 5th, back to 6th, and then into 7th, back down to 6th, and back into 5th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout where we'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us in the car today. And it's a good point to mention the comfort of this vehicle. We've got these incredibly comfortable full leather seats which are heated for both front passengers as well. Very, very nice to have that feature on cold British mornings, as I'm sure you're aware. But plenty of modern features on the infotainment screen, things like satellite navigation, DAB radio. We even got Apple CarPlay, which is a great feature to have on cars like this as well. Now, we've then got our different driving modes, which is, again, great to have that versatility. If you're wanting to drive economically, you can stick it in Eco Pro. If you're wanting to drive a bit sporty, you can stick it in Sports or Sports Plus. Great to have that versatility and the option to change the driving characteristics. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So, although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel that we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now, we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park while I perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate reverse works as it should. So 3, 2, 1. There we go. Very sharp on the brakes just there. Straight into reverse, no problems at all. Front and rear sensors, as you can see, they're all working exactly how you would expect. Now, we are about to go over a speed bump as well, so you can listen out for any noises. There we go. And as you can tell, throughout this whole journey, there's been no knocks or bangs of any kind, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with us today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. Appointments are also welcome if you'd wish to come and view the vehicle in person. If there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, a video walk around, or this test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me in this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.